I'm Bill Briggs, Deloitte's Chief Technology Officer, and I'm here with Kelly Raskovich, the Executive Editor of Tech Trends 2026. And we're here to talk about the way IT and the technology organizations being reimagined with AI. Kelly, what are we seeing?
We're seeing change happen across the board. I think in a world where IT was poised to kind of keep the lights on over the past few years, now we're seeing this shift of IT, we need you to help light the way.
Yeah.
And a lot of that comes into thinking through, there's a lot of changes happening. We did a survey and only 1% of CIOs reported that there's no major operating model changes happening. So there's a lot changing.
I want to meet that 1%, who it is. Also, we saw that 65% of tech execs say that the tech organization is expected to be revenue generating, which is the opposite of that back office.
Totally.
And then the AI being infused in the end-to-end of how we actually harness technology for business, for government mission.
It's changing the way we do work. It's changing the way we show up. And it's really changing the tech organization. Even as we think about headcount, 70% of people are increasing their headcount in tech organizations because of all the work they're doing. There's so much happening in this space. And really, there's a few things that are setting leaders apart.
Okay.
And some of them are, one, they're tackling their biggest problems first. They're prioritizing velocity over perfection. And then they're really making sure that they are designing with people, not just for them.
Yeah, and as we have said for a long time, every company is a technology company.
Yes.
Now almost 65% of CIOs, CTOs are reporting into the CEO. So this isn't about how do we do things a little bit better. This is about the future of the business, the mission, the org. It is the hardest strategy. And there's so much more we can do.
And I think that was up from, in 2015, it was only 41%.
Yeah.
So it's a big shift, a big increase. And also the roles in which tech organizations have now is changing. We're seeing AI architects, we're seeing that need double from what it's been the previous few years. And so I think it's changing what the roles are, changing the scope, changing the mandate. And guess what? Tech is ready for it.
Yeah, and the leaders are the ones tackling this head on. Because the one thing we know is technology is going to continue to change, and it will be the heart of how we unlock real value. So scan the QR code below to read more about this chapter on the future of the IT organization and the broader Tech Trends 2026 report.